The parking market's open for business. Hell, them old cars won't sell themselves.
Warning, we're just having fun. If you take stuff too serious, this channel may not be for you, buddy. Market. We're always putting money in our pocket, putting junk in your driveway. This 79 Chevy is this week's What's Not to Love special. The baby blue paint's guaranteed to catch your eyes. This baby pops like the 4th of July. If you ask me, I'd say she cleaned up dandy. Being able to use this chrome as a mirror comes in handy. Most folks don't know it, but the original emblem said Chevrolet loves to whip ass. This set of bed hook on wheels was Chevrolet's answer to the mini truck era. You should buy it, throw a V8 in it. Hell, I dare you. The redneck drag pack has this baby sitting right and sitting tight. 12 inches out back. Hell, you should have known. I hit the front steelies with some rattle can chrome. These tires got more meat than your Aunt Wanda's hind end. Low tire pressure for high-speed launches. A sweet color, yeah, baby. Super wides out back, hot damn. This thing's a small block Chevy away from being your local boot scoot boogie champion. Let's pop the hood of this little hillbilly Hot Wheels. Pop 1.8 liters, that won't get it done. I say you drop in a small block Chevy and have some real fun. Most folks don't know it, but the SBC acronym actually stands for Some Bitch Can Scoot. Throw on some 2.4s and hell, now we're talking. Keep this baby floored till she does some ride knocking. Strip the interior. We don't need no cloth on it. No one needs interior when you do Brody's leaving Sonic. Gotta get that foot-long chili cheese dog. Ditch this drivetrain in the rink-dink automatic. Add a 4-speed, drive it like a man and be about it. Air conditioning truck, hell, that's pretty rare when your goal's to haul ass. You don't care. I can smell some nitrous in this baby's future. I can think of 1,320 reasons to make this baby faster than a coked out cheetah. This baby's sweet, neat, and hard to beat. I done told you what you need to do a build, so come shake my hand and let's make a deal. No credit needed to cut a deal with me, because if you don't bring cash, you get to turn around skedaddle and leave. If you want to get on the books to take a look, you better hurry, because the phone's ringing off the hook. And don't forget, folks, if someone got a deal and it's a good one, chances are they dealt with Puddin here at Puddin's Parking Market. Tell your family, tell your friends, let's grow Puddin's Fab Shop in the Parking and Market as big as we can. I appreciate all you guys' support, and I can't believe y'all come back to watch this hogwash. She's missing something. Chrome racing stripes?